Next level.
So we are right now in the middle of the Olympic Park, and we are climbing on the hill, a vantage point, I suppose.
Absolutely.
This is actually the BMW headquarters, and you can see a lot of things, beautiful things. This is a V8 engine, petrol engine.
There are 4. You know why? When you look at this, what does it resemble? Take your wildest guess.
Mini is beneden.
This was made. Yes.
It's the cylinders?
Yes, sir. This
4 cylinders?
Yes.
Awesome.
This represents 4 cylinders of a car. There's nothing like you can see it hanging. Like there is nothing
Yes,
below that.
yeah.
So all 4 things are hanging, and there's a central column. It's quite a thing, man.